Hello gig workers, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money, and if you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Doordash from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gigs apps, and stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So hey guys, I would like to share a few tips and strategy how to achieve $20 an hour. If you've been driving for a while, you probably know some of these tips already. They're basically common sense. And if you're new, it probably might help you achieve $20 an hour. So the first one is pick two apps that's best in your market. For me, I'll be using Uber Eats and Doordash today. I know lots of people like to run 3 or 4 apps when they're multi-apping. I find it real confusing and hard to keep track what's really going on. So I'll just stick with 2 apps. And the second one is pick the right time. So it's going to be lunch hours or dinner hours. But if it's lunch hours, you have to pick the sweet spot. Either it is 11:30 to 1:30, is it 11 to 2, is it 11 to 1? So you have an idea what's really going on with when it's really busy. Same thing goes for dinner time. Avoid restaurants that take long to prepare the meal because it's going to eat up in your time. That's the third one. The fourth one, divide your hours into 3 20 minutes or 4 15 minutes. Said like Uber Eats, if I could do $5 in 15 minutes, 5 is going to be $20. And the fifth one is start your shift where there's lots of restaurant, an expensive one. That will help you to get more tips because the meals might be more, so customer might end up tipping more. So the sixth one is, it's very important on your first order that you receive that you make a good decision either to accept it or decline it. For example, if it's $10 and it's going to take you 15 minutes to pick it up and drop it off, that's a good order because then you give you a cushion of 45 minutes to make an extra $10, which is possible. You could do it. And those are my tips. So today I'll put the test to that tips and strategy, see if it does work. $20 an hour. 2020 2020 2020 2020. Hope it does work today. So the time is 11:27. Uber Eats running. Doordash looking for orders. Time start now. Woohoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. First order from Doordash, 12 kilometers, $8. Decline that. That's a very far drive out of my zone. Then I have to drive all the way back here. Nope, no thank you. So this is Doordash again, 5.3 kilometers, $6. No tip. McDonald's order. Decline. Order too small. I'm not gonna take that. No tips. Okay, this is another order from Doordash, 13 kilometers, $8. Come on, Doordash, send me a good one. A good one. A nice, beautiful, lovely one. Another order from Doordash, 10 kilometers, $10. I'll decline that. That's far too. Another order from Doordash, $9, 8 kilometers. I'll decline that. So this is Doordash and this is $10, 5.7 kilometers. That's the one I'm looking for. I'll accept that. That's a good one to start with. So pick up that food from the restaurant. Customer is 6 minutes away. 3.1 kilometers. Okay, let's go drop that off really fast. Time is 11:47. So drive fast, but be safe. No speeding. Just be efficient. So this is Uber Eats, $5.56, 3.9 kilometers. I'll accept that. So that order from Uber Eats, Popeye, they're fast and a short distance, and it's $5 and change. That's good too. So that's gonna put me in $15 range after probably close just over half an hour. So I'm here to drop off the order from Popeyes. Uber Eats sent me another order, $7.91. Okay, pick up the food from Daily Grind Coffee. Customer, it's 10 minutes away. This address is taking me out of my zone from Doordash. The time is 12:35. 13 with Uber Eats, 10 with Doordash. So I have to drive back to my zone for Doordash. Probably like 5 minutes drive. So this is Uber, $4.19, 3.2 kilometers. I'll accept that. Guess for the past 10 minutes I didn't get zero order from both Uber Eats and Doordash. So I'll take that $4. Right? $17 with Uber Eats and still $10 with DoorDash. So I'm at $27. I need $13 more in half an hour. Think we could make it? Hopefully so. This is DoorDash, $9, 10 kilometers. I'll accept it. Okay, let's go. So I arrived at the KFC and it's just one item, so that's really good. It's gonna be fast anyway. The only thing bad about this order, it's a bit more drive than I want to, but the pickup should be fast and easy money. $6 base pay, customer tip $3. That was a curbside drop off. Customer is right by the road here. The time is 1:45. I'm just gonna end my shift now because it's getting slow and I'm far away from my zone, probably like a 5 minutes drive back to my zone. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button down below. Every subscriber give me a boost for make more videos, and stay tuned for the summary. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is the summary. I'll start with DoorDash. I had two orders with DoorDash. From the bottom, base pay $6, customer tip $4, and the second one was $9, base pay $6, customer $3. Active time was 32 minutes. Dash time was 2 hours and 16 minutes. That's give us $19 with DoorDash. Uber Eats, I had 3 delivery with Uber Eats. This one was $17.73. Customer tip $12.16. Thank you, customer. That was a big order from Popeyes. Second one was $12.32. Customer tip $4.41. Thank you, customer. That's a good tip too. The third one was $6.85. Customer tip $2.65. Thank you, customer. So with Uber Eats, that's $36. And I was online for 1 hour and 42 minutes. So the total between Uber Eats and DoorDash, $55.90 minus $4 for gas gave us $51.90 divided by 2 hours and 15 minutes equal $23.06 per hour. Woohoo! That's pretty awesome. That's a great wage per hour. That Uber tips, that was $12. That really boosts my earnings per hour. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below. And stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.